My oldest got to experience his first week of Boy Scout summer camp, and it was at my old summer camp where I grew up, Camp Orr. Camp Orr is a very special place to my family. It's located where the foot of Mount Sherman meets the Buffalo River just outside of Jasper, Arkansas. Dating back to the 50s, Camp Orr's nearly 600 acres is the only Boy Scout camp located within a national park. Camp Orr is a BSA accredited high adventure base. So not only do they have cool programs like the Buffalo Trail for the beginning scouts to get them started, but also for the older scouts that have kind of done it all, they've got some really cool treks for them to go on as well. Like a 50-mile trek down the Buffalo River in a canoe, or backpacking across the Buffalo River Trail, or even a mix of the two. There are climbing and rappelling opportunities on their 50-foot climbing tower, let alone the famous Horseshoe Canyon and much, much more. And new this year, they've added beautiful mountain biking trails all throughout the Buffalo National River Valley.
It was sad when the great ship went down to the bottom of the sea. Husbands, wives, little children lost their lives. It was sad when the great ship went down. We're stinking!
With the top-notch staff, history, heritage, their dedication to all of the things that make Boy Scouts great, Camp Orr is a win. A huge thank you to onlyinark.com for sponsoring this video. If you or your friends or family are in Boy Scouting, please share this video with them right now. Camp Orr is a very special place. Help me get the word out. Life is what you make it. Let's get our hands dirty.